Are you waiting for me to get up and feed you breakfast? Yeah. Good morning. All right, Miss Pitiful. What is that yawn? You're a goob. So my back is getting a little better. Normally I take vitamin D and folic acid, but I've added magnesium to the mix for the last couple of days and a little 5-HTP. My stomach doesn't like this stuff so much, but it really helps my mood if I get down. So I will take it on a low dose for a couple of days with a full stomach. And then last night I took a melatonin and valerian root capsule before I went to bed. I sleep fine in the sense that I sleep all night long, but I know sometimes my sleep isn't very good, and the melatonin really helps with that. And I think that might be why I'm feeling much better today. I don't think I clenched my jaw like I did before. So I am on the mend. I will be on the serious upswing if we get to hike in the mountains on Saturday. That really, really helps me. All right, I'm gonna heat up some leftover pork chop for dinner. You bird watching? Tell the interwebs good night for me.